Oasis TV, bringing you a world of programming. An interesting form of fishing in Benga is the fish drive, Ngoli Kumbu. A fish drive involves the whole village, both men and women. It is under the direction of the Monandao, or expert fishermen. This form of fishing is reserved for special occasions. Traditionally, the fish drive requires much preparation. A kava ceremony is prepared prior to the drive to ask their ancestral god for his blessing. The people of Benga believe that if the ceremony is done improperly, the catch will be poor. The men and women both jump into the water and form a semicircle. The Monandao gives directions and shouts encouragement, while the men and women pound the bottom of the sea with long poles, driving the fish into a net. Once the fish drive is completed, the fish are divided among the families. As you can see, this has been a good catch. The fishermen respect the ocean. They never catch more fish than they can eat.